So what we learned yesterday? Okay. Group by and having clause. Also we saw that how we should write the queries, like sequence of writing queries and sequence of execution of queries. What is union and union all? Okay, great. Next we are going to learn the except operator. Except operator. So what this except operator does, it returns the record which are present in first select only but missing in second select. Now suppose I am having two data here, okay, F1 and F2. For example, I am having two columns, F1 column and F2 columns, or suppose I am having two tables here, F1 table and F2 table. So in F1 table, I am having three fruits here. In F1, I am having apples, oranges, and bananas. And in F2, I am having apple, oranges, and papaya. So when I will write F1 except F2, then it will write only bananas. Okay. So that means except operator returns records which are present in first select. First select only, but missing in the second select. The records that are present in first select only. So if you see in the F1, we are having apple, oranges, and bananas. In F2, we are having apple, oranges, and papaya. Now, apple is present in both. Is it present in only first one? No. Orange present in both. Bananas present in only F1. So except operator will select the record which is present in first select only. Now papaya is present in the second table, but it's not present in the first table. And we are going to select, or except operator will return only the record that is present in first select only. Okay. So apples and oranges are present in both. Banana is the only record that is present in the first select. Got it? It is not present in the second select. So when I will write F1 except F2, it will return me banana. But when I will write F2 except F1, then it will write papaya. Because apples and oranges are present in both the tables. Papaya is only present in the F2. And here, first select we are taking as a F2 here. So I'm writing here F2 except F1. That means for me, first select is F2. So it will return only the papaya. Okay. So you guys are having these tables, right? Default test table and primary key test table. So let me execute these tables for me. I need these tables. Those we learned in module number 1, right? Till this only, right? So I executed all the tables that I require. Now let me view from the default test ID and name column selected. I think default test is not okay. Okay. Let me select my database here. Second table I'm looking for primary key test. Okay, done. Yeah. So now if I view my default test table, then you can see in my default test table, I am having three records. ID column, name column, 1, 2, 3, Dinesh null and no name provided. And in my primary key test table, you can see there are two records in the primary key test table. Columns are same, ID name column, first Dinesh and second John. Now suppose if I write here, select ID name from default test, and I will write this except operator, and I will select ID and name from primary key test. What will I get in the output? Now one Dinesh is present in both the tables, so it will not return that. It will return only unique records or only records that are present in the first select. Now here first select is a default is table. Okay. So now one Dinesh is present in both the tables, so it will not return. Okay. Now second null is not present in this table, so it will return second null. Then three no name no provided is only present in the first select, so it will return these last two records. So let's execute it, and you can see that 2 null and 3 no name provided is written here. Got it? Yeah. So any doubt in this except operator? No. Now suppose what am I doing here? I'm selecting this primary key test at the first select and default test at the second select. Now tell me what will I get in the output? So first Dinesh and first Dinesh is available in both the tables, so it will not return. Now, this my primary key test table is a first select now. In this, primary key test is the first select. So it will return only the records that are available in my first select. So second John is present in this first select, but second John is not present in the second select. So it will return second John here. Second and John. Any doubt in except operator? No doubt. Okay, write this. Online students, any doubt? If there is any doubt, please let me know. Even if you wrote only one example, that is fine. Even if you wrote only one example, that is fine. You will get such kind of questions in entrance exam also, MCQ exams. I'm sending that requirement in the group. Shall I share or not? Because I don't know I'm allowed or not. So we'll meet after completing the class. Done? Okay. Next operator is a intersect operator. Next operator is a intersect operator. The common records between both select statements will be selected here. Intersect operator, what will it do? It will select common records from both tables or both select statement. So suppose I am having two tables, F1 table and F2 table. So in F1 table, I am having three fruits, apples, oranges, and bananas. And F2 table, I am having three fruits, apples, oranges, and papayas. So when I will use intersect operator, it will return common records between both select statement. So when I will write here F1 intersect F2, then which are the common items or the common statements? Apples present in both, oranges present in both. Now bananas are present in F1 table, but not present in this F2 table. Papaya present in F2 table, but not present in F1 table. So when I will write F1 intersect F2, then only apples and oranges will be written. And when I will write F2 intersect F1, then also apples and oranges will be written. Why? Because it will return only the common records between the select statement. So let's see one example. We already have this default test and this primary key test. Let me execute these columns together. Now tell me which records are present in both the tables. In the default test, I am having one Dinesh, and in primary key test, I am having one Dinesh. Got it? So this one Dinesh is present in both the select statement. So when I will execute the intersect operator in this table, like if I wrote select ID name column from default test, intersect select star from primary key test, then one Dinesh is present in both the table, so it will return this. Okay, executed, then you can see only one Dinesh is selected because this is the only value that is present in or common in both the select statement. Now next, if I interchange their position, then what if I write select ID name from primary key test intersect with ID name column from default test? Only one Dinesh will be executed. Got it? Yeah. So write this. Now the important features are ranking functions. There we're gonna spend some more time. Notes I have been sharing with you, so don't worry about the notes. Okay. Which one? It's opening, I think, for you. Tripti open. For no one it open. Why? What's the problem? Okay, I will copy all these notes, paste it in a notepad, and I will share that notepad then. Okay. Okay, let's jump on the next option. Next topic, that is ranking functions. Okay, ranking functions are very important functions.
Suppose in my primary test paper, John is on second column, and in other column, John is on first number.
It will not impact. Just the ID number and name should be same. If suppose in the first table John is at third position, and John is ID is 3, name is John. In the second table, John is at the first position, and ID is 3 and name is John. It is a common record. But suppose ID is 1 and name is John, then it is not a common record, right? Because IDs are different. Though the name is same, but IDs are different. So these are not the common values. Got it? And if you select only name column, then it will return, because in the name column, John is same. But when I'm selecting ID and name, then these both columns should be same, or these both columns should hold same value in both the tables. Then only it will be treated as a common value. Okay. Next, ranking function. Ranking function helps us in assigning rank to each of the rows based on certain values. In the ranking function, there are three types of ranking function. First one is a row number, second one is a rank, third one is a dense rank. Now these ranking functions will come in handy when I'm having large data and I want to arrange it in a proper way. And also while arranging, suppose if I want to delete some record. Okay, the complex data is there. I want to arrange it first and then I want to delete some records. Then these ranking functions will come in handy. Okay. So ranking function will assign some rank to each of the rows based on certain values. And there are three types of ranking function. The first function is a row number. Second function is a rank. Third function is a dense rank. Okay. Yeah, let's see take one example and understand what are these ranking functions and what are these different types of ranking function. Can you turn on the fan by lowering the speed? Lower the speed. Let it. I think it's closed. Increase. Okay. Suppose we are holding one event called as javelin throw. Everyone knows what is javelin throw? What is javelin throw? Sir, find the stick at road, aim at the bus and throw it. So what is javelin throw? How many of you know Neeraj Chopra? Yeah. So javelin throw is, there is a javelin. In Marathi or Hindi we called as bhala. In old movies you might have seen, right? Our ancestor used to have one big stick, and at the top of the stick there will be a sharp stone attached, right? That is called as javelin. So suppose javelin throw event is going on and there are 4 players, player A, B, C and D. Now score means player A is running and throwing the javelin, and he thrown javelin till 89.8 meter. This is his, okay, let it me. So 89.8 meter he thrown that throw. B player thrown for 89.6 meter. C player thrown for 89.6 meter, and then D player thrown for 89.4 meter. So these are the 4 players. 4 players are the finalists here, and out of those 4 we need to find suppose first 2. So all these 4 players thrown their javelin, and the A player thrown for 89.8, B player thrown for 89.6, C player thrown for 89.6, and D player thrown for 89.4. Now what is this row number? Row number function will assign row number to that particular row. Row number function will assign row number to that particular row. Now these records are present in which row? First row. So it will give first row number. These records are present in second row. It will give second row number. These records are present in third row. So it will give third row number. These records are present in fourth row. It will give fourth row number. So this row number function will not see what are the values are here. What are the values are here. It will just assign row number to that particular row. It will not even check that is it arranged in ascending order or descending order. It will just assign the row number to that particular given row. Okay. So now in the ranking function also, We know that suppose javelin throw is going on. So the one player who will throw for the larger distance, he will be the winner. In some parameters, highest will be the winner or maximum will be the winner, and in some parameters, minimum will be the winner. Was your class here at 10? You had a class in this group at 10 o'clock? And in some events, the minimum will be the winner. Now, suppose we are giving award to the countries who, control COVID-19 very well. Now, control COVID-19 means there were minimum deaths, right? So the country who will be having minimum deaths due to COVID will rank as a first. Then second minimum will be ranked as a second. This is the minimum. And in some maximum, like the javelin throw. The one who will throw for the maximum distance, he will be the winner. Got it? So we need to understand that whether this score needs to be arranged in ascending order or descending order. Suppose we are looking for the minimum to be the winner, like we are having the country's name and their number of deaths ratio as per the population. Number of deaths per population ratio. Now the lower the deaths, then higher this score. That particular country has handled that situation very well. Can you close that door? Okay. And in the javelin throw, the one who will throw for the maximum, he will be at the top. So we need to properly see that whether we need to arrange the score descending or in a ascending order. Row number will simply assign the row number to that particular row. Next function is a ranking function. Next function is a ranking function. The one who will throw for maximum, he will be having rank 1 and will be awarded with the gold medal. Now, if you see here, player A is throwing for 89.8 meter. Is there anybody throwing for 89.8 meter? No. So that's why he is ranked as the 1. Now, player B thrown for 89.6 meter and also player C thrown for 89.6 meter. So in the rank function, the second rank will be assigned to both of them. Second rank will be assigned to both of them because both of them have thrown for the same distance. But if you see, third one is skipped here because the second one and the second is coming twice. So third one has been skipped here. Suppose we had this D also. D also thrown for 89.6. Then here rank will be given as a 2 and in the medal it will be written like a silver medal. Silver medal. And here suppose I am having one more player. E player, he thrown javelin for example 88.5 meters. Now row number will be 5 and rank will be now look at here in the ranking function. This is the catch. One who is throwing at maximum given rank as a 1. 89.6 there are 3 players, so all 3 will get as a second rank, but it should skip 3 because third is taken as a, so it should skip 4 and then it should write 6 here. 1 2 3 4 5 it should write here 5 rank. So this is happen in the rank function. Now next is a dense rank. So what this dense rank will do, now this A player is throwing for the maximum 89.8 meter, it will be assigned as a rank number 1. Now the B player is throwing for 89.6 meter, it will be assigned as a 2. Now C player is also throwing for 89.6 meter, so rank will be assigned as a 2. Now for example D is not present there. Sorry, E is not present, D is not present, only E is there. So it will assign rank as a 3. It will not skip the number. Rank will skip the number, dense rank will not. Okay. So now 89.6 for D also, so it will assign second rank. Okay, and for E, which is having score 88.5, it will be assigned with the third rank. This is the difference between rank and rank. In rank, suppose there are three people holding second rank, then it will skip 3 and 4, and in the next person it will be assigned as a fifth rank. Got it? Yeah. But in the day's rank, it will not skip any rank number. So if you give any competitive exam, then you will get some rank, right? Now, most of you might have given NEET or JEE exam after completing the 12th. So you say that, okay, my rank is 500. So your rank is 500. That does not mean that no one else is having rank 500. He may be having rank 500. Okay. If we calculate by using dense rank, then surely there will be many people who will be having rank 500. But if they have used this rank function, then there are very low chances. And in the rank function, it is keeping some ranks also. But if you see your score, it will not skip any value. There will be ranking from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 till the last student gets some rank. Got it? So in the dense rank, if suppose anyone is having rank number 2, that does not mean there is only one person having rank number 2. There may be the possibility that dense rank 2 will be assigned to one or more person. If the score is same, rank will be same or different? Same. The score is same, rank will be same. Okay. So any doubt in at least theoretical concept in ranking function? Any doubt? What this row number does? It will assign the row number. What this rank will do? It will assign the rank 1. If the players are having same score, it will assign the same rank, but it will skip the numbers in between. Now if this 2 supposed to be 3, so 3 will be skipped here. This 2 supposed to be 4, so 4 will be skipped here, and next person will get 5. In dense rank, it will start with 1. If number of people are having same score, same rank will be assigned, and then it will jump on next function like a 3. Okay. Online students, any doubt in this? Sai Dinesh, Mohini, Mohini Bhandare, any doubt?
No, sir.
No doubt. Okay. Okay, let's create one table. Create table ranking. Give a first column country, pass data type character, and give character length as a 3. Next, create column city, data type varchar, pass here 50 character length, and then create third column population, give data type integer, and insert some random values that you like to insert. Okay, insert it, create this table. Just a minute, let me share only this screen. For you guys, it will change the screen, right? Okay, everyone has created this table. Yes or no? Where is this point? You can see this is the table that I have created here. The first column is having country, second is city, and third one is population. Done for everyone? Shall I go ahead or shall I wait? How many of you have completed this table? How many you haven't completed this table? Those who are not raising hand, who are they? In when I was a child, we used to play that game. You know, one person used to be at one end, another person used to be at another end, and we used to throw a ball, and the middleman has to catch that ball. So the ones who are not raising hand for completed also and not completed also, they are those middlemen who are just running here and there. Okay, created? Yeah. Let's go ahead and create some, like, let's use this ranking functions. Okay. So understand the syntax first to use this ranking function. We will start with select star. Now select star means I am selecting all these columns that are present in my given table. Okay, so if I want to give select some columns only, I can give the column names. And if I want to select all the columns, I can use star. So here I am writing select star. That means I'm taking all the columns, comma. I will use this row number, row underscore
Screen
number.
is not visible, sir.
Now is it visible? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, great. So select star, then I will give comma, then I will give the ranking function name. Now suppose I want to give the row numbers. So I will write here row underscore number, and if you can see color is purple color, right? So that means it is a inbuilt function here. That is a ranking functions are the inbuilt function. Then I will close this. After closing, I need to write over because I'm writing these row numbers or I'm using this ranking function over some column, over some column. So ranking functions will be followed by over, and in bracket I can use order by population descending, or even I can use only population. But what I want to do here, I want to assign the row numbers over what? Over the population column, and in the population column I am assigning population column, or I am ordering population column by descending order. If I wrote only population, then if you see my ranking function table, these populations are not properly sorted, right? Random populations are given here. So suppose if I want to give these row numbers over this population column and I want to assign this in a proper way, then I can use this order by descending. So this order by descending will make sure that population column is having values in a descending order. Means low highest population will come first, then second highest, then third highest. And I'm giving that particular column name as a row value from this ranking table. So if I select and execute, then you can see here, I got a row value column here. And in the row value column, if you see, the population is arranged in a descending order first, and then row values are assigned. Then row values are assigned. So where we can use this row function? Suppose we are having world population data, okay, and I want to view the first three most populated country. Now the data is not arranged properly already. Is it arranged? It's not arranged. So what I can do? I can simply write this row number over order by population in a descending order, and I will give this column name here, row value from that particular table. Even if we order by population in a descending order, we will get the population in a descending order, but we will not get these row numbers. Okay, this row number will make my job easy to understand. Okay, this B country is at having highest population. Then this B country again is having second highest population. Then this A country is having third highest population. Then this A country is having fourth highest population. Got it? Yeah. So this is how we can use this row number function here. Now one question for you guys. Is this getting stored in my database? Is this getting permanently stored in my database? No, it is not getting stored. It is just the top of the table query. And how we can understand if this is the top of the table query? Because we are not using insert into here. We are just simply separating by comma using this row number function, ordering this population in a descending order and storing as a row value. Okay, so whenever any value stored in our database, first it will show that commands completed successfully. Got it? So this is the top of the table query. Now suppose if I want to store this row value in this given table, then I can use common table expressions. And those common table expressions we will be learning in module number 5. Okay, so this is not getting stored in our database. Remember that in interviewer may ask you such kind of question just to check whether you learned by understanding or whether you just learn. Got it? Yeah. Next, suppose I want to give the rank numbers. I want to give the rank numbers. So I can write here select star, comma, rank function over. I'm giving order by population in a descending order, and I'm storing in a rank value column from this ranking table, and I will execute it together. Okay. So rank value function, I got it below. Okay. So if you see here, the first rank will be assigned to the maximum population because I'm assigning this rank to on this population column. So maximum population will be assigned with the first rank. Second rank will be assigned to the second maximum population. Third rank will be assigned to the third maximum population. And if you see here, CTM and CTG is having same population. So same rank is assigned here, 3, 3. And it has skipped 4. And next coming CTZ is having 5th rank. Okay. Now suppose if I want to assign this dense rank function here. So I can write this select star, give the dense rank, followed by over. Then in the population table, population column I apply. So I'm ordering this population column in a descending order and storing in a dense rank column name. And I will execute all these 3 together. So I will be getting a third column here or third table here. And you can see the N city is having maximum population. So dense rank is given as a 1. R city is having second maximum population. Dense rank is given as a 2. M is having third maximum population. So dense rank is given as a 3 here. And G is having the same population that of M. So third rank is given. And Z is having, lesser population than this G. And fourth dense rank is given. So in the dense rank, we will not skip any number or the series. But in the rank, we will skip or it will skip. Not we will, it will skip. Got it? Any doubt in this? No doubt? Okay. I will take all these ranking functions together in a one column or one table. So this is it. So row values will assign rows to the each row. Rank value will assign the rank, and dense rank will assign the dense rank. Got it? Any doubt in these ranking functions? No doubt? Okay. We will take some more example for this ranking functions, and then we will start with the module number 5. In the module number 5, we will be learning common table expressions. We will be learning how to create stored procedure, how to create views, how these 3 things are different from each other, and we will take some practical examples. Okay. So we are aiming to complete module number 5 in next week, and next to next week will be the conclusion week. In that week, we will have one SQL project and mock interviews. Okay. So if you guys want to write it, write it. Else drop off from the meeting. I will share this file with you. Okay. Those who are going to pass out in 2025, please stay here. Else can